Zhangjiagang LUYE Machinery Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of turnkey beverage machinery. LUYE Machinery, located in Zhangjiagang, a famous developed port city in China. The company has been operating for more than 30 years, continuously developing and innovating, using both domestic and international expertise. The company specializes in the development of professional beverage packaging machinery and a variety of professional water treatment equipment, along with providing additional design and technical services. LUYE Machinery Company Limited has dedicated technical teams to support customer expectations and demands. The company also maintains a positive relationship with both domestic and foreign institutions. LUYE Machinery Company Limited is dedicated to continued self-improvement and product innovation. Our company is ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OHSAS 18001 management system, and CE certified. Our company provides water treatment systems, beverage filling systems, packaging systems, and product range support equipment. Our products support production lines for mineral water, pure water, carbonated soft drinks, juice, tea, milk-based beverages, vinegar, soy sauce, and wine. We can support production lines of 3,600 bottles per hour to 36,000 bottles per hour for pure and mineral water. Production lines of 150 gallons per hour to 2,000 gallons per hour. Five to 200 tons per hour of water treatment, 10 to 30 packages per min PE film shrink wrapping packaging machinery. LUYE machines use HMI controls to support complete automation. PLC control. The machines also provide frequency conversion along with other advanced features. These features combine to provide maximum stability, quality, and productivity. Our company is committed to creating and maintaining positive relationships with clients. This translates to professional, timely feedback to customer inquiries and requirements. Make the right choice and partner with a well-established quality company. Export your products to multiple countries and regions. Just LUYE Machinery. To help you innovate, implement diverse strategies, and provide green products for a better quality of life.